What's up, guys? Bang, bang. It is lunch money time. While Wall Street's trying to get rich, the rest of us trying to get our lunch money right. I'm here with the beautiful, intelligent Polina Marinova. Pompliano, you already know what the deal is. Don't forget that lunch money is now sponsored by BlockFi. Bang, bang. Let's go get BlockFi accounts, blockfi.com/pomp. You can go. And what you can do is you can earn up to 8.6% APY in an interest-bearing account. You can buy and sell crypto on a crypto exchange with no fees. And you can also deposit crypto and take out a US dollar loan to get your crypto collateral. I'm an investor. I sit on the board. I'm a happy user. And so will you. Go to blockfi.com/pomp. Again, blockfi.com/pomp. What's up?
Hi.
Hello. Let's go.
No, not to you, to my people. Bitcoin's value passed $1 trillion this weekend.
Woo-wee!
The price soared past 56,000, past 57,000. Are we at 58,000 yet?
The price did not go past 1 trillion. The market cap.
I said the price went past 56,000. 57. Did you know? He's not listening, guys. Did it go past 58,000?
It did at one point, but then it fell off a cliff this morning.
What? How far did it go down?
It hit 49,000.
Damn.
But like I tell you guys, dollar cost average, hold for a long period of time. Don't be investing more money than you can lose. Keep a long time horizon. It's super volatile. Stop looking at the price. That's it. That's the whole key to this game. But $1 trillion is a big deal. Very high psychological bar to cross over, because now all of a sudden people are like, oh wow, it's $1 trillion. I probably should go take a look at this. This looks like it's pretty interesting. It's getting big enough. Bitcoin is probably the only asset I can think of. As the price goes up, it becomes more attractive to institutional investors.
And remember, 1 trillion is the market cap, not the price. Okay. Moving on.
You need to bring that Monday energy. You need to bring that nonsense up in here. Yeah, don't be bringing that garbage, that garbage. Go ahead.
My God, he's screaming. Tesla has made about stop, because you can hear this. Tesla has made about he's spinning his phone. Stop spinning your phone. Okay, Tesla has made about $1 billion in profit on its Bitcoin investment, on paper. But the company is on a trajectory to make more from its Bitcoin investments than profits from selling its electric vehicle cars in all of 2020. Wow. What do we think about that?
This is old news. I tweeted this a week ago. They had made 721 based on the appreciation of their Bitcoin, $721 million in appreciation. And last year they made $725 million in profit. So not only were they about to eclipse it, but now that they're close to $1 billion, well now not because the price fell, but $1 billion in appreciation. The big one's gonna be when it doubles. They bought around $33,000, so about $66,000. Everyone's gonna be like, ooh, we should have done the same thing. And all those people are gonna buy $66,000, and then it's gonna double for them. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be amazing.
Okay, great. Are we done?
Yes.
All right. So JP Morgan thinks that Bitcoin is an economic sideshow despite its monster rally. According to JP Morgan, the rise of digital finance is the real financial transformation story of the COVID-19 era. So they're betting on fintech. They're not betting on Bitcoin specifically.
Long Bitcoin, short the bankers. That's what I think. You know why this is stupid?
Why?
It's because most people can't invest in the fintech companies. Stop dangling all this nonsense in front of people and just reiterating the fact that because of accreditation laws, the opportunities to invest in that market are not available to the everyday person.
Yeah, that's true. People can't invest in the fintech startups until those startups are public companies, but they can invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, correct?
Correct. And on top of that, most of the fintechs, Square, PayPal, etc., they're benefiting from Bitcoin. Robinhood, all of them. So you can't say that, it's a fintech story. It's like blockchain, not Bitcoin. Fintech, not Bitcoin. How about world, not JP Morgan?
All right. Hennessy, the wine and spirits division of luxury conglomerate LVMH, announced Monday the purchase of a 50% stake in Jay-Z's champagne brand, Armand de Brignac. Did I say that right? I don't know. Terms of the deal were not disclosed. But look at all them celebrities having their whiskey, champagne,
Jay-Z's the pioneer, though. Ace of
tequila
Spades.
brands. Wait, what?
You know when you're in the club and Ace of Spades comes out, everyone's like, ooh.
Oh, the brand is known as Ace of Spades. Wow, it sold more than 500,000 bottles in 2019. With fewer parties and nights out, the pandemic has hit champagne sales. But
It's all right.
do not mourn.
It's all right. Listen, Ace of Spades costs $13 to make. 1-3. They sell it for like $225
What?
to the club, and then the club marks it up another like 50%. So you at the club are paying like $300 and something.
Don't be paying $300 something at the club for
I'm about to order me some Ace of Spades into
$13
the house.
champagne.
I might come on lunch money and pop a bottle of Ace of Spades.
We have-
If you want to see me do that, leave a comment, and if we get enough
Anthony,
comments, she
no.
will let me do it.
No, because we haven't drank anything since January 1st, 2021. Any alcoholic adult beverages.
Ain't no better way to break the streak than with Ace of Spades. What up, Jay? Z? Go ahead.
Do not disrespect him like that. Okay.
Jay-Z's my favorite
We
rapper.
got
After Lil Wayne and Biggie.
and me. PP. Oh wait, PIMP. Oh my god, you can't get any more gangster than that. Like, come at me, rappers. I am PIMP. Woo! I don't know what that was. Okay, come back. We got an update in the chicken wars. Taco Bell is joining the chicken wars with a new taco. It's a 1/4 pound white meat double breaded chicken breast on a taco.
A little pollo? Little pollo?
I don't know why that's funny.
Pollo?
It's not funny. Stop doing that. It's not funny.
Ain't nobody going to Taco Bell to eat some god dang pollo tacos. We want to go and we want to eat the nasty stuff.
Pollo
If we go, I want the chalupa. That's what I want.
Do you want to wait? Have we told the people our chimichanga story? I think
I'll just tell real quick. Anybody ever heard of
I think we
chimichanga? I was at a restaurant one time, and I said to the woman, I said, what should I get? And she was like, oh, our chimichangas are good or whatever. And I was like, oh, okay. And she left. And then I started thinking, and I said to Polina, I said something. She goes, what are you thinking about? I was like, I was just thinking, man, Jimmy Chunga, like, Jimmy must be rich as hell. And she was like, what? And I was like, yeah, man, I've heard of that before. So, like, obviously, like, who the hell is Jimmy? I'm going to Google it. And I went to pick up my phone, and she was dying. She was like, what are you doing? And I was like, I wonder who the founder is. And she was like, you're an idiot. It's not Jimmy Chunga. She was like, there's no Jimmy. And I was like, oh,
Chimichanga.
got it. Chimichanga, whatever. But Jimmy would be rich. Jimmy would be Taco Bell rich.
She very seriously said, what do you mean? It's Jimmy's changa. And I was like,
I just like the word chalupa.
what you
Isn't
know
that
about
the
changa?
word? Isn't that what they got?
Who?
Taco Bell got chalupas.
I don't know.
Yeah, they do. But now they're trying to make fried pollo tacos. It's stupid. No, ain't nobody want that from you. Give us the unhealthy stuff. Try to kill us. I want to go to Taco Bell and try to kill me. Like, put it in my body. What doesn't kill me makes me stronger. Taco Bell, stop trying to be new age nonsense. Just give me the unhealthy stuff.
All right. It's time for Ask Lunch Money time. Hashtag
What's the
ask-
white stuff they be putting on there? Not
Tzatziki?
whipped cream. No, not whipped cream. What is it?
On what?
On like your tacos and stuff, you could get come on.
Wait, what?
It's not cream cheese. That goes on a bagel.
Wait, is it
Why can we not think of this?
like melted cheese? Is that what you're trying to say?
No, like when you go and they're like, oh, do you want guac or
Yeah.
sour cream? Sour cream, bam! Bam! I knew I was going to
Close
think
with
of
my
it.
cream cheese.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I was.
I want the sour cream,
Okay.
like just coming down like it's a mountain, like we're going to go skiing. Just make it unhealthy. Just put it all in
You've
there.
been eating
Try
so
to kill
healthy.
me.
Why are you saying all
But
this?
because I haven't been going to Taco Bell. But if I go to Taco Bell, try to kill me. That should be their tagline. Taco Bell, we try to kill you.
I made stuffed peppers last night. It was all healthy. Made a cucumber salad.
Yeah, you could say, Polina's Kitchen, we try to save your life. Then Taco Bell should be like, Taco Bell, we try to kill you.
Okay, are you done
Yes.
with pollo? Okay.
Quesadillas are my favorite though.
Ooh, in Miami, there's this place called Pollo Taco. Very good quesadillas. Best quesadillas I've ever had. All right, TG. Okay, wait. It's Ask Lunch Money time. Hashtag AskLM in the comments below. Anthony's not paying attention. We are going to go with TG, aka Scream. Pomp and Pimp, love the content. We hit the $1 trillion BTC market cap today. What's the most significant thing you see happening as a result? Why are you out of the frame? Come back. So what's the most significant thing I see happening? I think that it's gonna, a lot more people are gonna get access to the financial markets.
I wrote about the Bitcoin ETF in Canada this morning. Go check it out. Go be a subscriber, pompletter.com. But what it basically means is that now there's more liquidity in the market. More liquidity means more utility. More utility means more interest. More interest means more demand. More demand to a fixed supply asset means higher prices. Self-fulfilling prophecy.
All right. Joseph Pass or Passy. Pomp, hypothetical.
Passe.
Hypothetical. What would be the implications if all the economies collectively agreed to take all of their monetary wealth and convert it to Bitcoin with some kind of fair conversion? This isn't a question of the price. I'm talking about the implications of a truly stabilized, decentralized system. No more denominating in USD. Relative to the old prices, do houses get more expensive? Bread, milk? What are the implications for foreign trade? There are a lot more factors.
I actually think one of the craziest things to think about is it would completely violate all of the traditional investing philosophy, because the entire investing philosophy is don't save, invest. That's how you get rich. You have to invest, you have to own assets. The dollar gets devalued, asset prices go up. If all of a sudden you flip it and actually investing doesn't actually bring a increased amount of dollars, instead it's saving. And when you go out of the currency, that would be one, how the world used to work, like, I don't know, normal. But also two is it would change the way that people would have to think about building wealth, and it would go back to actually running balanced balance sheets. Like literally you couldn't go
Spend
do all
more
this
than
crazy
you
stuff.
make.
Yeah, you would have to literally just make money, spend less than you make, and save.
It's
shocking.
Yeah,
fact.
it's so funny how like all the fundamentals that apply to individuals don't apply to the government. Anyway.
Well, the government, just they can print whatever money they want.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Around this specific question, though, I think that it will never happen, one, obviously. Two is I do think that it would drastically change the way that countries finance their economy and also finance things like war. So I think we would live in a more prosperous, less violent world, and people would be much more focused on kind of improving themselves rather than constantly trying to go and put their lifestyle, their opinions, their beliefs, their politics into other parts of the world.
Interesting.
Just saying.
All right, Moist counter.
Oh, Moist, what up?
Day
Bang, bang.
7.
I missed you, dog.
All right, day 7 of commenting on every episode of Lunch Money until Pomp gives me a call. I'm not sure if this counts as cereal, because you asked him what his favorite cereal was last time. But Quaker Oats would be my breakfast soup of choice if I was stuck to one for a year. If that doesn't count, then I gotta go with Frosted Mini Wheats. I would have chosen neither of those. I'm going Cocoa Puffs.
I just like the fact that he called it breakfast soup.
I'm going Cocoa Puffs for a year.
Yeah.
What you going?
Moist, I got another question for you.
Wait, you didn't answer my cereal question.
Nobody asked me.
I asked you.
Like I said, nobody asked me.
Anthony, what is your breakfast soup of choice?
I like Raisin Bran.
Ugh, Jesus.
Yeah, Raisin Bran.
My
and then if I get real
God.
crazy, give me the Lucky Charms. Just try to kill me. Lucky Charms, try to kill me. Let's go. Sign me up. I got another question for you, Moist. What was the logic?
Moist.
What was the logic when you got on YouTube and you were like, I need a username? And you were like, I'm going to use Moist. That's going to be my username, Moist. And I don't want to hear a lie. I don't want to hear anything gross. I don't want to hear anything crazy. It's a kid's show, but I want to know the story, Moist. What was the logic? If we're going to talk to each other, we're going to have sound decision making. And the decision to pick the name Moist, I feel like there's a story there.
By the way, can I just tell you something? I think I encountered Moist on Twitter with his real name. Same photo, I'm not going to say what it is. I think. If that was truly his real name. But anyway. All right, that's all I have.
Uh-oh, Moist. I'm not going to ask, but do not let the detective start going to work. I want to know why you call yourself Moist. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bang, bang. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Lunch Money as much as we did.
And don't forget, Lunch Money is now sponsored by BlockFi, so go check them out. There's a link in the description that you can click on. I'm an investor, a user, and a huge fan. What?
You're a bigger fan of BlockFi than you are of me?
BlockFi is my second favorite thing in the world behind Polina.
They've got 3 products. They can give you a US dollar loan. You can earn up to 8.6% interest on an interest-bearing account, or you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies on their crypto exchange. I personally use the interest-bearing account. There's not very many places where you'll find up to 8.6% interest on a deposit in an interest-bearing account. Go do your own research. There's risk associated, but 8.6% is pretty compelling. So click on the link in the description. Say thanks to the folks at BlockFi. Subscribe to our channel. Like the video. Annoy Polina in the comments. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
And be kind to your friends.